Most people use File Explorer every day. But these 5 built-in features can help you work faster, stay organized, and find files more easily. I'll show you where to find each feature, explain why it's useful, and how to start using it right away. Let's begin with the first one. First is Open Multiple Tabs. This lets you keep multiple folders in one File Explorer window instead of opening several windows. Open File Explorer. Click the plus button at the top. A new tab opens instantly. You can also press Ctrl+T to open a new tab. Use tabs whenever you're working with multiple folders. They make switching between folders quicker and keep your workspace organized. Next, I'll show you a feature that saves time every time you open the same folders. Next is Pin to Quick Access. This keeps your most used folders only one click away. Find the folder you want to pin. Right-click the folder. Click Pin to Quick Access. The folder now appears in the Quick Access section on the left side of File Explorer. Pin folders you use often, like projects, work, or downloads. You'll spend less time searching for them every day. Next, I'll show you a feature that lets you preview files without opening them. Now let's look at the Preview Pane. The Preview Pane lets you preview many files without opening them. Open File Explorer. Click View. Click Preview Pane. Now click a file. A preview appears on the right side of File Explorer. This works with many documents, images, and PDFs. It helps you find the right file faster. The next feature is especially useful if you have lots of files in one folder. Another useful feature is Search Filters. Search filters narrow your results so you can find files more quickly. Open the folder containing the files you want to search. Click the search box. Type the name of the file you are looking for. Then add a filter, such as Type, PDF. File Explorer now shows only PDF files that match your search. You can also use other filters, like Date Modified or different file types. This saves time when searching through large folders. There's one more simple setting that many Windows users never enable. Finally, let's enable file name extensions. By default, Windows hides file extensions, making it harder to identify file types. Open File Explorer. Click View. Select Show. Click File Name Extensions. You'll now see extensions like .pdf, .docx, .xlsx, and .jpg after each file name. I recommend leaving this turned on. It makes file types easier to identify and helps you avoid opening the wrong file. Those are 5 File Explorer features that can help you work faster, stay organized, and manage your files more efficiently. They're all built into Windows, easy to use, and useful for everyday tasks. Which File Explorer feature do you think you'll use the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.